And the other side is almost perfect too. We got lucky here. So let's go and do that final super fine cut. I went ahead for purpose of this video and I vacuumed certain areas to show you difference between those relatively large shavings in size and the new one which we'll create right now. So once again, last time I will release these locks, move slightly these knives, right? Then I will manually move them all the way in to start that final cut. Now I have it in the destination. I will immediately, here on the back, I will lower the cutting speed, which means the speed of this device, right? I change that and I put it on the slowest possible setting. The arbor, right, will rotate with the same speed. That's not changed, but what I'm changing is the speed of the knives this way. So once again, last time, I'm choosing the touching it, right? And in this case, I have it almost perfect. I will go only for 2. So 1 and 2 here. I will lock it. I will do 2 on the other side. So 1 and 2. I will lock it and I will let go right here of this control, and you will see how this wheel goes way slower. You will also hear it, right? This is very, very slow, and you will see the difference in those shavings. I will put that camera there so you can see perfectly the difference. You see in the speed, it's very, very slow. You already hear different sounds even, right? Look what kind of shaving. It's almost like a miniature flake in the paint of the car, right? If you look here, how tiny they are. That's because we are cutting right now super fine final cut. Look how small those flakes are here, right? Very, very tiny. In comparison, what is left down there. I'm not sure if that camcorder can see, but these are way larger in the size than what we are producing right now up here. And of course, this is very slow cut. That takes time. So maybe I will go ahead and take a short nap or something. Just to put you in the perspective, this slow cut, I'm choosing the slowest, on this size of rotor, can easily take up to 7-8 minutes. Of course, this lathe is extremely powerful, so there's no time for some horseplay or putting your fingers where they don't belong, because that will rip your arm off without any hesitation, I can imagine. So the safety number one here, when anybody works on it, everybody else in the shop needs to stay away from it. And here you can see our finished rotor. There is, even by the touch, there is a difference. The finger, even with the glove, can feel difference between the fast cut and the slow cut. This is super nice and smooth. Absolutely awesome. I love it. What's the next? My next step is removing this band, the silencer band, right? And I wanna improve the surface of the rotor. And that is achieved by using the sandpaper between 100 and 150 grit, right? Ideally, you have a sanding block for here, so you don't put your fingers here. But I forgot to buy that, so I will show it to you using my hand, right? I will just observe the safety, and basically each side I will sand for approximately 1 minute to introduce that non-directional finish to the rotor. And that's important for the those brake pads, and they will be adjusting to that new rotor surface, right? Again, you stay away from the arbor, right, with your clothing and so on. And approximately 1 minute for each side. You don't have to really push hard on it. It's not a problem. You will see when I will stop it how smooth that rotor will be. That surface becomes absolutely perfect. I will say really like brand new from the factory when it came. Now I wonder how it changed. Oh my friend, this is like the ice. This is absolutely smooth surface. Let me move the camera for you. I hope you will be able to see it. Zoom on it. It is incredible. It's absolutely shiny and like ice. Absolutely smooth. This I love. And that means I'm ready to remove that rotor, right? The nut, as we said, it's the opposite thread, right? Here comes the spacer. Sorry for getting in your way. This is that adapter. The cleanup will follow. And here is that unbelievable brand new rotor. This is absolutely incredible. Here you can see, right, how that centering cone works. The spring lets it go in until this back touches these surfaces. I really wonder how that resurfacing changed the thickness of this rotor. Let me do the same measurement using that ratchet. And it's actually basically 21 millimeters exactly. And that's how it works if you own the brake lathe, right? Instead of wasting the rotors, you can resurface them and keep using them instead of buying brand new ones. I wish you can touch it because it's really like when it was brand new. It's fantastic. And I hope this gives you idea, right? When you give to some shop your vehicle for the brake job and they say that they replace the pads and also resurface your brake rotors. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, you find it interesting. If you liked it, give it a thumb up and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more stuff coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.